Hello, this is Ed Roselle of Paused Marketing. In this video, we're going to discover ways to determine a niche for your affiliate marketing business that you're starting out. And if you like this, I want to remind you that if you like this channel to subscribe and click the notification bell, as there are going to be many more videos coming after this one. Picking a niche is actually not that difficult for affiliate marketing. There's all kinds of things to basically, you are in affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products and getting paid commissions for those if there's a sale. Some of the products are a one-time sale and a one-time commission. Others are like subscriptions that are ongoing, monthly, or in some time frame. And those kind of commissions, often referred to as passive income, monthly recurring revenue, or other things that it's called. But picking a niche is not that hard. There are 3 evergreen niches: health, wealth, and relationships. They're very broad. Each one of those 3 is very, very broad, but those 3 never run out of need. There's always need, because we're all humans and need things and do things and make people mad and things like that. So whether you have a bent toward health or relationships, or even internet marketing and making money online, any of those are good. The health and fitness area has all kinds of things available to promote. Most of them can be found on a place called ClickBank. There's oodles of diet plans, relationship things, exercise things, books, tapes, and other things that you can promote. In the relationship area, there's all kinds of hints, tricks, and to help your dating and profiling endeavors. And even in the wealth area, there are many ways to tackle wealth, particularly in internet marketing. There's many kinds of marketing you can do on the internet, from Amazon sales to drop shipping, high ticket items, low ticket items, print on demand, drop shipping. All this stuff is possible. But the one I like the best is affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's product. And so once you pick a niche, or you can actually operate in a couple of niches, like health and wealth at the same time. You have put together multiple streams of income, some of which are one-time buys, and some of which are monthly recurring. And so all of it goes together and makes a nice package. So, but you can develop this at your own pace and at your own speed, and you can learn all kinds of ways to do it. So with that, I hope that picking a niche is fun for you, and that you can expand that into a business if you desire, or just use it as a side hustle and a hobby. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. So that's all for this video. I'll see you on another video very soon. Bye.